ventilation shafts instead of solar panels as present.
UFO 降落位置圖 ，Apple wing wing wing， 正中間，擺4個棺木落去，
instead of the open concept.
我用佢條絲生產出嚟 CO2 嘅壓力，而產生光和熱。
The magnificent round building is by no means sufficient
推動 Apple 嘅電腦，我嚟叉電咯，攞去條絲做電池，冇錯啦。
It's pretty amazing
將條絲變成 CO2 之後咧，佢壓力咧就升到1000個 psi， 就壓住石英層，石英層位置咧就會產生電流。按基本物理常識咧，將電傳出嚟，產生光和熱。我哋做咩啊？抄部 iPhone。
Perhaps Steve Jobs' comparison of the building with a spaceship applies to much more
抄呢部 iPhone 啊。
appearance. Apple Park
抄埋你部 iMac。
compromising attempt to create an isolated
抄埋你部 iMac 啊。
that bears little relation to the life and troubles of the adjacent streets and communities.
用嗰條絲個力量。
Apple operates its own private bus service to shuttle employees.
嗱，抽中咗咧，
Silicon
你
Valley.
可以升
The
天。
company also operates its
4個抽1個咯。
medical centers in Cupertino exclusively for
邊
employees.
4個最大嘅
While
？mark
Apple's
定位俾
attempt to
佢，
create an isolated environment for its
留翻3
employees
件喺度做電池，
benefits
最撚大嗰個升去上天。
forward thinking if the company had instead
就咁決
created
定。
campus in an environment where interaction with
寫喺邊度啊？
local
永旺星嗰邊。
businesses encouraged, where environmentally friendly short commutes would be possible, and where the success of their campus could rub off on the environment and integrate into modern city planning
想
solutions.
上去獵戶座咩？
Perhaps the
天
goal
狼星啊？
wasn't to create the most practical
上天狼星
campus,
咯。
but rather to create a building that embodies some
射個豬兜座嗰邊啦，
perfection.
整多個豬兜座。
To set standards
我做個豬兜座喺南極嗰邊，
and display
一個屎眼嚟嘅，
how
豬個屎忽。
develop its
The
products.
pet of the pig.
More than
The pet of the pig.
Steve Jobs approached this
They
campus
create
not
one
as an
type of
architect
this kind of
or a
stars.
productivity expert,
整個豬星俾佢射去過去。
as a storyteller, aware of the power a
改咗
well-told
希臘嗰個星圖
story has
去。
to inspire.
I think we do have a shot.
豬嚟嘅，狗係豬係，
The
豬嚟老母就
best
揾。
office
搞人出嚟，蘋果，
building in the world. And I really
教
want
人，
architecture students
教人，
here to see this.
蘋果交人，邊個閪衰啲嘢嘅？
Shows that
只撚錢出邊個叫你閪衰嘢咧？我免除你個民服務稅同電腦閪客稅。如果唔係攞咗蘋果90%嘅佢人工90%，攞出嚟派俾細路仔，全球細路仔。
Very, very different piece of real estate, as I will be exploring the Las Vegas Strip. Similar to this video, I have mapped out
做補償啊嘛，你閪衰啲嘢，咪做咩閪衰細路啊？嚇？你當你戇鳩？
secured control over a large part of the casino business in Las Vegas. The video will go live on YouTube in a couple of weeks. You can already watch it right now on Nebula, where I'll be posting all my videos first. Now here's what's really exciting about this. Nebula is not some sponsor that reached out. It is a streaming service I am building together with other YouTubers and podcasters. And what started as a small passion project has turned into a massive success that allows us to create way more ambitious projects than we could on YouTube.